Alright, after you check all your controllers which is correct, all the body is correct, okay, all things is nice already, we can set up for our hands. Okay, set up hand, you're gonna set up the IK and FK. This one is the base. Okay, this one is the base joint. We need to have like multiple of it. So select the base, duplicate it. Refer to your Discord. Okay, after you select the joint, the upper arm, this one no need, the clavicle leave it. We just need the upper arm, the elbow, and hand. So right now, select this one, duplicate. So you got one set. This one you bring out first. Shift P. You bring out, unparent it. Okay? And then we only keep these three: upper arm, lower arm, and wrist. The rest of it, all the fingers, we doesn't need. Just delete. You do not delete your base, remember you delete your what you duplicate out, and then rename it. This one in front, you add in IK. L, then L, IK. Okay, you make one set first. Okay, so after you duplicate already, rename already, the IK, duplicate one more set. This set name to FK. 刚才你们做的那个的just now what you did the renaming, okay? You just duplicate one more set from your naming just now, then you rename to IK to FK, same. Alright, after you have the joint already ready, now we can start the setup. Okay, so we do the simple first. We do the FK first. Okay, so right now the IK arm, just hide it. Okay, the joint you hide it, and then this one also, the original, the upper arm, you just hide it. Now it's showing is the FK. Okay, we hide these two. The upper arm, just how you where you select, you just hide it. Make sure right now when you select, it's only FK arm. Okay, it's only FK is highlighted in here. Alright, so after done, we're gonna set up the controller for it. So controller very simple. The circles, this one left, FK, upper arm, controller. Then others, this one lower arm. Okay, the last one is wrist. After you have the controller, you do the group. Alright, you have the group. Okay, name it. Controller group. Alright, after you set up your FK controller already, okay, now we need to like find the position for it. Okay, very simple. Now what we do, we can do like you want to find the position first, or you want to do a parenting, also it's can up to you guys. Okay, normally I will do the parenting first. Okay, so the wrist will be the lowest. So this one is like lower than the lower arm. So this controller group put under lower arm controllers. Okay, this lower arm controller group put under here. So right now the hierarchy should be look like this. Same with your joint, but with group. Okay, upper arm, lower arm group, lower arm controllers, wrist control group, wrist control. Okay, very simple stuff. Next, select your upper arm group. Select this joint. Modify, match transform, match all. After you match, you find is it the position is correct. Okay, holding W and left click to go object. Okay, over to object you can change like here. Okay, select your joint, select your group. See is it they are in the same position, same axis. If it's same, means you are incorrect. OK， 这是我们讲 check 我们的那个 axis 对不对 ？OK， 看它选一选就知道了。OK， next this one lower arm to here, modify, mesh transformation, mesh all. Then check again. This one and this one, is it correct? OK, then the last one, wrist control group to which joint? OK, mesh transform, mesh all. This one and this one, they are correct. OK. That means, which means that you are good. Your controller place are correct. 代表你们的位置就对了。Okay. After correct, then you do the constraint parent. Constraint parent. This one to here. The last one to here. Okay. Your joint should have 3 constraint nodes in here. After you set it, now your rotation of the controller can be worked. Now your arm can be worked. this can be worked right now. Last one doesn't show anything because there's nothing connected behind. Okay, to reset it, okay, just select all the controllers, put to 0, then you back to the position. Alright, after all your FK set up already, you can just minimize it. This tool you can just hide it for temporary. Okay, just hide it. FK group temporary this one. So after it's finished, this one just hide it. Now call back your IK arm just now that you hide. 你们 IK arm 刚才收起来的，可以把它叫出来了。Okay, the IK arm you hide just now can call it out. Alright, so create controller for the IK first. Okay, same things. Create controllers. IK, L, IK, arm, controller. Then group it. Make it as a group. Okay, underscore group. L, IK, arm, control group. Then we need another called as the pole vector. Alright. So another controllers you create. L, IK, arm, PV, controller. Then group it. Controller group. Alright, now we continue to set up the IK, yeah? So to do that, select IK, the arm control group. Select the last part of the joint. Okay. Then modify. This time, we'll need mesh translation. Do not match the rotation inside. Okay, so right now we need to get the translation. Okay, the control will be here. Okay. In this one, there's a small trick. Select the pole vector control group. Select the elbow joint. Parent inside, press P. And then select the group. All the translate rotation, put it to 0. After it, your controller will match to this place. Okay, then you can see there's a red and the blue arrows in this square. Click and drag from this axis. Okay, from this. Do not go here. Do not go upside. Okay, from this view angle, move behind. You do not move this square. Else it will be like all the value will running. Later when you set up the pole vector, it will off. So select this one and then move to behind. Something like this, it will be okay. After it's done, Shift P, unparent it out. We only need the position of it. Then the rotation, you zero out. After you pick your joint, okay, you isolate already. Go to set up the IK handle. Okay, skeleton, create IK handle. Make sure it's rotate plane, yeah. Single chain cannot be used. Okay, rotate plane. Select the first one and the last one. Then we generate one line for you. This one is the IK handle. Okay, IK handle. Middle click, drag to your arm controllers. Okay, put it underneath. This one, rename it. Left IK, arm handle. Then select the pole vector control. Holding control, click the handle. Constraint pole vector. Now it's finished. This one you can move. This one you can move. Just like how you set up the table lamp. Alright, after you set up your IK, this one is IK is finished already. You go pole vectors, you go IK arm control, all this is correct. Okay, so what you can do right now, next one, you need to find for the right side for the placement for the IK. The FK very simple. FK is like you just duplicate a group of it, the controller. This one from the left, you rename to the right. You can find this Windows, sorry, not the Windows. Under modify, search and replace. From left to right. Okay, you can select hierarchy, so it doesn't need to select one by one. After it, apply. So right now all the left will change to the right. Okay, then one by one, we do the duplicate things first. Okay, same things. Duplicate set. Okay, for this one. Okay, all the fingers we don't need. Then rename. We do the FK first. FK for this. FK for this. FK for this. Okay, FK join. Duplicate another set. This one to IK. We can use the tools. Okay, search and replace name. FK to IK by hierarchy. So right now we've got two sets of join here. The left side. Okay, IK and FK. So just now we got the controller, right? Okay, select the controllers, select the join, modify mesh transform, mesh all, and one by one. Okay, lower arm, then the wrist. Now that we got this IK and FK, all the control will be in the placement. Okay, the next thing we can just do the constraint parent. Okay, so we skip this one for now. Now to the IK. IK also same things. Okay, we duplicate the control set, come out. Okay, after it, you group it. This one rename, modify, search and replace, left to right, apply. So right now we got the right IK. Okay, make sure the rename doesn't duplicate. Okay, doesn't have copy of the name. Okay, we only need the controllers. All the connection inside, we can just remove. Because this right now under it, all this is useless. 它没有东西，因为它是新 duplicate 出来的，它没有 connect 任何东西。It doesn't connect anything. So the connection of it, we can just remove first. Alright. Now this two, we are inside it. Okay, after you rename. Alright, after you duplicate the name already, you group it. Okay, make sure you group already. And then, under group, okay, you can see the skill X, this one, just type -1. You'll flip to other side. Alright, next, freeze scaling. Do not freeze transform, freeze scaling. Then these two, you bring up, Shift P. This rope is useless, remove it. Now you got the IK and FK plane, all the control on the correct position. Then you can set up already. Okay, so after you set up already, you do the connection. Okay, same thing to the legs. You do it and then flip to the other side. Okay, then you set the another side of the legs there. Alright.